This is 2018 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab, white over black, leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, OnStar, remote start, Bluetooth for your cell phone, heated seats, traction control, satellite radio, electronic climate control. There's a look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, tonneau cover, spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Brooksville, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.